3 Australia, you're making a lot of noise up here.
Let's call him fucking 333 Australia, man. Is that you there, fucking Alan? Anyway, I've got a bit of a train wreck on this side, man. I've been playing recordings all day, man. Playing recordings all day. Anyway, who's calling 333 Australia? I heard ya. Hey, I think it might be Paradise there, California. Is it you, Alan? Anyway, 642, Alan. I think that's you, brother. Anyway, I've got a train wreck, Alan. Recording fuckwits.
No, it's 791, Lou. 791 Gulf Islands up here in the North Pacific.
781. I think that was 781. 781 calling 333. I got a train wreck, brother. I think it was 781. Anyway, 71. 781. Not going to hold it up, brother. 73. Jeez, man, I heard you screaming, and I'm straight back, and I'm back quiet. We got recordings of dumb cunts playing bullshit, and I'm back quiet.
All right there, Lou. 333, 791 Gulf Islands. You're hitting me at 40 over still. 40 over. Have a good one. Cheers and beers. 791 on the side.
All right, just here. 791. 791. I got it that time. 791. 20 over this way too. Straight on top. Straight over the top of the recording. 791. I'm back quiet. 791 quiet, brother. Hey, down under. Have a good night.
All right. Cheers and beers.